Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on the application of Truecaller. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this page you will search about the application of Truecaller and you will go here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here in this page you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.